In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to convert any photo into a PDF on your iPhone. Select the images you want to convert to PDF. You cannot convert multiple images to PDF. Now move the selected images to a folder. Select images. Tap the three dots icon. Select Quick Action. Then select Create PDF. Now you will see that your images have been converted into PDF files that you can share with others and print.